Now, here's a good question. If I have EDR, should I install email security on a customer's device? On the device, maybe not so much, because anything that makes it to an endpoint, no matter how it makes it to the endpoint, whether it made it to it via email, via a download link from the internet, a web browser, a drive-by download from a web page, however a threat makes it to the endpoint, once it's there, EDR should be able to contend with it. But mail security is more than protecting just the endpoint from malicious attachments and malicious download links. And email security and mail filtering probably is doing you a lot more good in the realm of keeping your end users away from spam, phishing emails, business email compromise, impersonation, email spoofing, those types of attacks. And that's usually done by a email filtering, security filtering service that is server side or DNS or MX record side. So we have our MailaSure product, which is our email security solution and archiving tool, and you put it in front of your email server. So you change your public MX record so that all email is sent to us first. We pre-process it before it's sent to your email server. So that's going to be looking for the phishing campaigns and the business email compromise attack campaigns, spoofing. So short answer is yes, you should be running EDR and an email security filtering solution. Does that need to be on the endpoint? No, they don't both need to be on the endpoint, because again, well, you'd only be protecting the endpoint at that point. What about the emails that the user is checking on their phone or checking on another device? They would still be susceptible to them there, to attacks or anything there. So I always advise against using a local email, uh, an agent-based local email security tool, and instead use a service or a solution that is going to be able to handle all of the email going into the domain and out of the domain. Because otherwise there's just too many holes, too many gaps that's going to be exposed that you'll never know about. Emails will get through that are, causing all kinds of problems for you. So yeah, again, short answer is yes, you should have both, not necessarily on the same, both of them on the endpoint though.